for sale by Toolcrafter802 on eBay.com is one J.C. Glenco Model 102 Type A floating tool holder. These tool holders are usually used on metal lathe, and the Morse Taper number 2 shank is inserted into the tailstock of the metal lathe, and Morse Taper number 2 tooling is then inserted into the socket. Primarily, this tool is used on a workpiece that has been bored out, pre-bored, and is used when the operator wants to ensure an accurate concentric hole is bored out or reamed in the workpiece. The problem exists, alignment between tailstock and headstock of metal lathes is not always perfect, is actually seldom perfect, and therefore some system of holding the tap or reamer in the tailstock had to be devised that allows for the axis to float and follow the true axis of the bore of the workpiece. This is of particular importance to the gunsmith, because the gunsmith doing compensator or chamber work needs to maintain the true axis of the bore of the barrel, and a rigid tailstock setup like a drill chuck holding a reamer may result in a out of spec bore, such as bell mouthing, due to influencing of the axis of the tailstock counteracting the axis of the headstock. So this tool is designed to accept Morse Taper number 2 shanks into the front socket here. Included with this lot is a 1/4 inch split sleeve precision drill driver, and that will be inserted in there, and a 1/4 inch reamer, like a 22 caliber rimfire reamer, would be chucked inside, and you'd use a rubber mallet to tighten everything up. The operator will have to buy on their own, which is not included, a drill drift driver, which is basically a steel wedge that's used to eject the tooling from the tool holder. Also included is a 7/16 precision split sleeve drill driver. This is made by Scully Jones, and it holds the standard rifle, centerfire rifle chamber reamer shanks, which are usually 7/16 diameter. So this tool is in excellent condition. It floats approximately 1/32 of an inch or 31 thousandths of an inch. The overall diameter of the barrel is 2 3/16, and the length of the tooling to gauge line is 4 1/32. Glenco was bought out by FL Tool Holders. You can look them up online and Google their catalog. I have the catalog page in front of me. This model is still carried by them. Parts are still accessible. I am not going to take this apart to show you the insides of how this operates, because there are bearings in here, free-floating ball bearings, and I do not want to disturb that setup. But from the catalog page, you kind of get a cross-sectional view of the internal mechanism. Usually this type of tool holder has a Oldham style coupling inside of the barrel, which keeps the cutter from rotating, but allows for float in any direction, radially up and down. So regardless, eBay auctions last for 7 days. Recommend you bid high and bid early if you want a chance at owning this tool, and feel free to contact me with any questions. Thank you.
My rifle is my friend. My rifle is my friend. I clean my rifle every day. That's why my rifle is my friend.